Hello, welcome to day one of our distance learning experience for anatomy and physiology. The first week, I'm going to keep it a little bit light so we can kind of make sure everyone is together on technology, and also because my online resources, the website crashed earlier today, so I want to make sure they have a chance to get it back up and going and that it's going to be stable. So I'm hoping that we'll have some neat stuff to look at online starting Friday or Monday. Anyway, I've missed you all, and I hope that you will take advantage of the Zoom sessions for this class. They're going to be at 9 a.m. I sent the information out by email and by uh, through the Remind app. If you have any questions about that, I also sent the information for signing up for my Remind in case you haven't done that already, um, and for signing up for my Zoom sessions. And so we're just going to take it slowly and try to do the best we can. And I'm looking forward to making some progress in this class. I hope you are too. And so for Wednesday and Thursday, I have put two files with assignments for you into your Google Classroom, and I have marked it very clearly that that's what you're supposed to do. Both of the assignments have to do with human genetics, and I will upload a more detailed video on for Thursday about genetics and explaining the assignments in a little bit more detail. But you have the information you need in the assignment to get started. And so I'd like for you to do the one that's marked for April 1st and says day 11 on it. I'd like for you to work on that on Wednesday. And then I would like for you to work on the one that says day 12 and is marked for April 2nd. I'd like for you to do that on Thursday. And I will have something else for you on Friday. Anyway, welcome, and I hope that we can have a little bit of fun with our online classes, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Oh, and there's one thing before I forget. If you are not one of the few people who has completed all of your disease diaries already, make sure that you go ahead and finish those as scheduled. I have put another copy of the disease diary assignments in our drive for this classroom. There's also one in the shared drive that we were using previously. So if you have any questions about any of that stuff, we can talk about it in our Zoom meeting. I'll be available from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday. You can email me or you can send me a message through Reminder, or I guess that's what the options are. So anyway, or you can see me on the Zoom meetings at 9 o'clock. If you don't show up before 9:15 and there's nobody else that has shown up yet, we'll close those meetings, but I'll give you about 15 minutes before I shut them down. All right, thanks. I hope everyone's healthy, and I'll talk to you soon.